Trade shows are loud, crowded, and competitive. If your booth doesn't stand out, your brand is invisible. Introducing the Brillo Lightbox. This is the counter display, perfect for product demos and check-in stations. The 10-foot display, ideal for standard booth spaces. And the 20-foot display, for when you need a serious presence. The next evolution of SEG backlit displays, now with dynamic RGB perimeter lighting. It's not just backlit, it's completely surrounded in light. Control the mood instantly. Clean white for a polished corporate look, bold RGB colors, motion patterns to catch attention, and even music sync for high-energy environments. It's all controlled by a simple remote. Paired with vibrant, high-resolution SEG graphics, your message doesn't just show, it shines. Your team has better things to do than fight with hardware, so we've designed this display with a completely tool-free assembly, no complicated setup, no wasted labor hours. It's built for total efficiency. Foam-protected travel cases are included. They're designed to help protect your display as you move from show to show. Stop blending in and own the floor with the Brillo Lightbox.
Need help setting up? Let us show you how it's done. Let's assemble the outer frame. Match each frame piece with its corresponding alphanumeric code. Lock the frame pieces together. Ensure the locking mechanism is centered, then press down to secure. Next, install the mid poles. Rotate them to secure in place. Attach the perimeter LED strips. Be sure to match each strip with the correct alphanumeric code. Insert footing. Finally, let's plug in power and test the light.